So what need to change the set of clutch? In any case, you need set of clutch, and better to use this one, this original set of clutch by Aisin. When you buy from Toyota original, you have Aisin. So Aisin, this company that built all the system, and this is the original. For diesel 5-speed gearbox, we need this kit. Disc, plate and bearing. Also, you will need paper. For what the paper? That you need in any case, where is the bearing is moving, you need to, you got it? Need to polish this surface, polish, that will know any, and use 3 type of paper. You see, this is the finish polish. And you need the oil. It must be 75W 80 or 90, it's no matter. 2 liters.